In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts on Google Docs. Have you ever found yourself working on a document in Google Docs and wishing you had more font options? Well, you're in luck because today I'll guide you through the process of adding new fonts to Google Docs, a simple yet effective way to enhance the visual appeal of your documents. Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Fonts. If you're unfamiliar with it, Google Fonts is a library of free licensed font families. Here you can explore hundreds of fonts to find the perfect one for your document. Once you've arrived at the Google Fonts website, take a moment to peruse the collection. When you find a font that catches your eye, click on it. This action will take you to a more detailed view of the font, where you can see its various styles and weights. Now that you've selected your font, the next step is to click on the Get Font button. This is where the magic starts. Google Fonts will provide you with a downloadable version of the font. Look for the download icon associated with your desired font and click it. This action will initiate the download of the font file to your computer. After the font has finished downloading, you'll need to locate the file, usually housed in your Downloads folder. Open the font file. This typically involves a simple double click. Upon opening, you will see an installation window. Here, your task is straightforward. Install the font to your computer. This usually includes either dragging the font to a specific folder or clicking an Install button. Successfully doing this adds the font to your system, making it available for use in various applications. With the font now installed on your computer, it's time to bring our focus back to Google Docs. Open up Google Docs and access the document you wish to work on, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once in your Google Docs document, look for the font menu. This is usually located on the toolbar at the top of your document. In the font menu, you will notice a lot of font options, but to access the one you've just installed, you need to click on More Fonts. This opens a new window showcasing a wide range of fonts that Google Docs offers by default, plus any new additions. Now here's where it gets exciting. In the More Fonts window, there's a search bar at the top. Use this feature to search for the font name that you've installed on your computer. It should appear as an option in this list. If it doesn't, make sure that you've correctly installed the font on your computer and that you're searching for the font by its correct name. Once you've found your font in the list, selecting it is as simple as clicking on it. This action will add the font to your list of available fonts in Google Docs. To finalize the process, click on the OK button at the bottom of the More Fonts window. Your selected font is now added to the Fonts drop-down menu in your document, ready for you to start typing with your new font. And just like that, you've expanded your creative options in Google Docs by adding a new font. Remember, the typeface you choose can greatly impact the readability and tone of your document. So don't hesitate to experiment with different fonts to find a perfect match for your text. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips. If you can't find the font you're looking for in Google Fonts, check that it's available for web use, as some fonts are designed primarily for print. Be mindful of licensing and usage rights when downloading and using fonts, especially for commercial projects. Finally, consider how the font complements the overall design of your document. The right font can enhance your message and make your document stand out. And then you have it, a simple guide to adding more personality and style to your Google Docs documents through custom fonts. Happy designing, and I look forward to seeing what creative projects you'll produce with your new font options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.